Mr. Men Show!
There are times when getting somewhere by car is nearly impossible. That's when the Mr. Men and Little Misses rely on trains or planes to take them to their destination. They enjoy the comforts that trains and planes provide. And best of all, they don't have to drive. In order to keep trains running smoothly, the tracks must sometimes be repaired, which, curiously enough, is exactly what Mr. Bump and Miss Helpful have been employed to do.
Now, Miss Helpful, you look out for trains while I repair these railway sleepers.
Right you are, Mr. Bump. I'll keep a keen eye on those tracks. Are you sure there's nothing else I can do to help?
Why don't you fetch the new sleepers from the trolley and I'll start to remove these broken ones.
You want me to bring these sleepers over to there?
Exactly.
Do you need me to bring a saw or a spade or maybe a pair of goggles?
No thank you, Miss Helpful. Just the sleepers.
That's why I never travel without my bum bag. Never know when you're going to need a screwdriver or some lip gloss. Do you need any lip gloss, Mr. Bump?
No thank you. Just the sleepers.
Coming right up.
Just a little further.
Are you sure you don't need any help?
Positive. Just a little further.
A train's coming. Don't worry. The sound's coming from that direction. I think. Yes, nothing to worry about.
This is how you do it.
Are you sure you don't want me to help hammer that in, Mr. Bump?
No, I'm okay.
Ow! Wow. I'd be happy to help.
All right, Miss Helpful. Give it a try. I know I probably make it look pretty easy, but it's actually very difficult. Oh, whoa! That wasn't very helpful. Ow! Are you sure this is a good idea?
Trust me, Mr. Bump. This way, if you get hit again, you won't go flying off that cliff.
Well, I've got to hand it to you, Miss Helpful. You really know your stuff. Now, why don't you keep a lookout for any other trains while I finish up here?
All right. In fact, I heard that if you put your ear to the track, you can hear a train coming 5 miles away.
You know all sorts of tips.
Well, it's all part of being helpful.
Of course it is.
I hear it. A train's coming. You'd better get out of the way, Mr. Bump.
Give me a second. I'm almost finished.
But, Mr. Bump, you have to get out of the way.
Not to worry. Just one last wallop.
Hurry, Mr. Bump. I can really hear it coming now.
Ta-da! Finished. Finito. And not a moment to...
Sorry about that, Mr. Bump. I must have been listening to the wrong track.
Poopity-poo.
One of the greatest pleasures of travelling by plane is the flight attendants who come through the cabin serving delicious refreshments.
Where's the flight attendant? I'm thirsty!
As am I, but do be patient.
Ta-da!
Miss Magic, that kind of behavior is inappropriate.
I thought it was fantastic!
You would. I would be all too glad to overlook this infraction if you were, perchance, to serve me a beverage.
Of course. What would you like?
A glass of pineapple juice with 3 ice cubes.
Higgledy-tin-tingle, higgledy-tin-tapple. Give me the juice of 1 pineapple. Ta-da!
Hey! This wasn't part of the deal!
Ugh, you're even more frightening as a fruit.
I doubt it. Turn me back!
Oh, and about my pineapple juice.
Stand back and prepare to be dazzled. Higgledy-tin-tingle, higgledy-tin-juice. Give Mr. Fussy a glass of juice. Isn't it amazing?
No, it is not. I asked for juice in a glass.
Stop your complaining. At least you got your juice. There are other thirsty people on this plane, you know.
Oh, very well. Then may I please have those ice cubes?
Here you go. Zarazee! It's magic!
Someone should take away that wand of yours.
I'll stay a pineapple for the rest of my life if this kind of scary stuff keeps happening.
Sorry, Mr. Fussy. Let's give it another try. Zarazee!
Oh, that's more like it, and I am most impressed by your choice of garnish.
Sometimes my magic surprises even me. Toodaloo!
I love it when she does that.
Where did she go? I did not get my drink.
Probably because of your dreadful manners.
Finally, something to drink.
Train travel is a comfortable and relaxing way to see the countryside, which is why Mr. Grumpy is so fond of taking the Dillydale Express.
What do you want, Miss Sunshine?
Hello, Mr. Grumpy. What are you doing today?
I'm taking a nice quiet train ride with a good book, and I don't want to be bothered.
I'm taking a train ride too. I love trains. Love them, love them, love them. Goodness me, Mr. Grumpy. There's someone on this train that looks exactly like you.
That's because it is me.
Oh, what a fun coincidence. Now we can take the train together.
Hello, Miss Sunshine. Hello, Mr. Grumpy.
Huh? Mr. Scatterbrain's here too. It's a double fun coincidence.
Took the words right out of my mouth. What are you doing up there?
Taking the train?
But that's for luggage, not for people.
Oh, no wonder there aren't any cushions.
We have plenty of room down here.
Goody.
It's getting awfully crowded in here.
Never too crowded for a tickle.
Will you please keep it down? I'm trying to read a book.
Please have your tickets out and ready.
That's your ticket?
I know. Isn't it pretty?
Is there an empty seat anywhere else on the train?
Of course, up at the front. Just be careful stepping through. You wouldn't want to accidentally detach a carriage or something.
I know a conductor who needs a tickle.
No, don't. I'm trying to do my job. Whoops. Let's play a game.
How about the tickle game?
That's it! I'm going to another carriage on the train where I can have some peace and quiet and get away from you dodo birds. Oh!
We'll pick you up on the way back. Tomorrow.
Oh, crooked cucumbers! Now what am I gonna do?
How about a great big tickle party?
No! No! No, no, you! Oh, stop! Stop that right!
So you see why the Mr. Men and Little Misses have such fond memories of their train trips and plane rides. Memories that will last a lifetime.